25 of the trickiest theory questions. Let's go. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to answer each question. Feel free to pause if you're not sure and you want to think about it a bit longer before that answer appears. Good luck. Let's start with some questions about signs. Number 1. What are all triangle signs? Question 2. What are all circle signs? Question 3. Who are diamond-shaped signs for? Trams, because sometimes tram tracks go on the road and you better see each other's signs, so it's important that they have different shaped signs to us so we know which ones to look at. Question 4. What are all rectangular signs? Question number 5. What are all yellow rectangular signs? Question 6. What are all brown rectangular signs? Question 7. What colour are information signs on motorways? Question 8. What does this sign mean? Clearway. The red cross means no stopping, not even to pick up or set down passengers. The sign is used to indicate a 24-hour clearway. Question number 9. What does this sign mean? Minimum speed permitted, in miles per hour, unless it's impractical or unsafe to comply. Question 10. What does this sign mean? Question 11. What does this sign mean? The give way sign is the only upside down triangle sign. Question 12. Why do these two signs have unique shapes? It's so they stand out, so you can still recognise them if they get covered in snow or dirt, for example. Question 13. What does this sign mean? National speed limit. 60 in a car on a single carriageway, 70 in a car on a dual carriageway. That's enough about signs. Let's do some questions on tunnels. Question 14. What 2 things should we switch on before entering a tunnel? Lights and radio. Lights are a good idea even in a well-lit tunnel. Radio, because the people keeping an eye on the tunnel can speak to you via any frequency as long as your radio's on. Some tunnels will have a sign telling you what frequency to tune into. Question 15. What should you do if you break down in a tunnel? You should use your hazard lights. Drive out the tunnel if you can, but don't make a U-turn or reverse. If you can't drive out, drive to a lay-by or an emergency lane, or pull over as far to the left as you can. Walk to a safe place to get help and wear a reflective jacket if you have one, and watch out for other traffic. Question 16. What should you remove before entering a tunnel? Let's now do some questions where the answers are figures that even an educated guess would be hard to make. Question 17. What is the minimum tread depth on a tyre? Question 18. When should you use your fog lights? When there's less than 100 metres visibility, don't forget to switch them off when visibility improves, so you don't dazzle or confuse other road users. Question 19 now. At what age do you become legally responsible for your own seatbelt? "14. The driver is responsible for anybody under 14. Even if their parents are in the car, the driver is still responsible. Question 20. If you get stopped by the police, how many days do you have to produce your documents at a police station? Question 21 has two parts. First part, how much is your stopping distance increased in the wet? Second part, how much is your stopping distance increased if it's icy or snowy? Question 22. How often do we need to change the photo on your driving licence? Question 23. You have broken down. It's safe to put your warning triangle out. How far behind the car should you put it? Question 24. What is the maximum amount of seats a car can have if you only have a Category B car licence? Question 25. What is the maximum weight of Category B vehicle that you can drive if you only have a Category B car licence? Hopefully you found those 25 questions useful. Go over them again a few times if it helps. Everybody learns in different ways, so go out there and work out how you learn the best. It might be that reading the highway code cover to cover is best for you, or going through apps. But whenever you come across a question that you're not sure about, make sure you Google it and you fully understand, because you need to know this information for life, not just the theory test. Ask your driving instructor. They won't mind helping you with any questions you don't fully understand. Feel free to ask in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for all our latest videos. Like this video. The more you like and share and comment, the more people will find this video and it'll help them as well. Thank you. Bye.